paint in a pepper. And it's fascinating because you put a little darkness and it just takes a form. It just takes formation. And it happens instantaneously. It hits you like a euphoria. I call it the bliss of art, the euphoria of art, the bliss of art, the euphoria of art. One bliss is when you cast that little shadow on that object. You cast that little shadow on that two-dimensional object and it just takes form. It just magically pops into form where you watch it slowly emerges itself. Then emerges, protrudes, takes form, and you just drop a spark of light and the object pops out. It's like a three-dimensional depiction on a two-dimensional surface. That's a fascinating phenomenon. The kind of optical illusion